Podcast ini dibawakan khas untuk anda oleh SPS Realtors.
Untuk khidmat jual beli rumah, sila hubungi mereka di 86888676. Selamat datang ke Podcast Biar Betul. Saya hai Bang.
Saya hai de. Saya Dan.
Saya tak.
Kita bye.
Oh,
Lagu apa tu?
Aku ingatkan aku punya masih bunyi.
Kata lagu tu?
Got me, man.
Dia punya lagu lagi kuat.
Oh,
apa kan ni?
Desert Miss the Rain.
Lain kali nyanyi kuat lagi.
Background lah. Korang dah kuat.
Dia dah Jemalo semua.
Kena background lah sikit. Background lah. Main lagi. And I miss you, like the desert miss the rain. And I miss you, desert miss the rain. Yeah.
Sting. Talking about Sting. Sting will be performing
Oh, Sting
F1. Diamlah Den. The first one you got me. The second one aku masih apa yang ketak-ketuk. Yes. Shout out to Sting.
Polis.
Kita almost dapat Sting untuk interview.
Tapi kena Sting lah.
Kena Sting. Bukan Sting wrestling.
Oh bukan. Aku pernah cakap aku suka dia lawan Reflex.
Wih.
Dia
tu
lawan
The Thing je.
The Thing tak?
kau dah twisted The Thing?
Swamp Thing.
Lama so.
Bukan.
The Thing yang tangan kan?
Lama punya The Thing.
No.
Something lah, something.
No, bukan something.
The Thing
Alien.
Oh, aku lupa.
Kirakan cerita
The Thing tangan tu ada sekali kan.
Ada Thing kan?
dalam cerita Thing tu.
Ui.
Dia di sebuah tempat yang banyak snow.
Snowcat.
Snow place?
Memang semua aku kat snow cap. Diorang semua tak sunat mungkin.
Yang sejuk lah.
Jadi alien telah merasuk salah satu badan. To cut the story short, last tinggal 2 orang. Either one ada alien. Terhabis.
Sebab aktor dia.
Ni kau suka buat ending macam ni?
Yes.
Kau boleh guess yang mana alien, mana yang tak.
Terus habis gitu.
Kau suka kan cerita macam ni?
Siapa yang nama aktor?
Oh, Kurt Russell.
Oh, Kurt Russell.
Oh, yes.
The Thing
I think I remember.
Ui, macam
Betul tak title dia?
The Thing, yes.
Bukan something
Kalau Melayu,
Detik.
benda lah.
Benda. Kasih dia tembak.
Detik.
Kau kesian tau. Betul lah benda.
Benda lah.
Kalau let's say nak tembak, kalau Melayunya anu dia.
Kasih dia tembak.
Betul lah dia tak tembak. Anu benda lah.
Oh, benda lah.
Benda kau baik sihat?
Alhamdulillah.
Benda kau?
Okay.
Dan benda kau?
Kurang sihat lah.
Alamak, macam mana ni?
Sesama.
Kalau benda kau sesama dah keluarkan.
Dah keluarkan lah. Itu yang semua
Tak boleh solat. Solat susah.
Solat susah.
Kalau dia kan Nino sah.
Benda ni.
Ajar-ajarlah sikit benda kau tu. Disiplin sikit dah.
Maafkan dia lah.
Aku boleh maafkan lah. Tapi kepada sahabat kita yang dua ni, nak maafkan benda kau ni ke tidak, up to them lah.
Muji maaf kata lah.
Muji maaf kata Talking about muji maaf kata, bunyi
apa?
ada kiriman lah. Sementara aku buka kiriman yang dikirimkan, silakan Haider.
Kau rasa aku suka saya dulu.
Kau rasa lah.
Soldier.
Orang macam mana ni? Kau rasa kau balik
Senang je, pergi kat kita punya profile, kat atas ada link kau. Cepat lagi dekat.
Tak Okay, kita berterima kasih kepada kiriman-kiriman yang diberi.
Of course.
Jadi kepada
Yes.
korang-korang semua yang ada kirim, ada cerita korang-korang.
Kau sound like a politician lah.
Of course lah.
Yang Muslim Affairs punya.
Memang saudara aku lah. Saudara aku. Tapi aku
Panggil dia, kita nak interview.
Ui.
kalau kau panggil dia, aku keluar. Kau tak datang.
Kenapa isu pronunciation ni macam sorry
Ya. Tak betul.
Aku just curious lah. Kenapa yang bahasa Melayu je selalu have this problem?
Tak.
Aku
Pronunciation.
tak tahu ada macam bangsa-bangsa lain ada.
Ada.
But in the nature of language, bahasa Melayu punya R is pekat ataupun obvious. Bahasa orang putih punya R senang
tak clear sangat,
senang
softer,
sembunyi.
softer. Okay.
Macam silent. Silent R lah.
Not really silent touch,
Macam-
tapi it's just senang hide.
Okay. Ni legit question lah. I was just wondering why selalu macam Melayu atau
Memang kau tadi dah
bahasa
minta
Melayu.
maaf dengan aku pun aku rasa legit juga.
Terima kasih.
Kau think of a English word yang ada R kat tengah-tengah.
Russell.
Mana R dia?
Dia dekat tengah-tengah dua word.
Gary.
Gary.
Gary. Kau boleh just Gary.
Gary?
Yes.
Gary.
Kalau Melayu,
Ada
kalau
W
Melayu,
sikit
Tapi
lah.
kalau tak ada
kalau
Gary,
Melayu nak
tak ada
dekat
R,
dengan
ada G.
Gary is kari. Susah.
Curry.
Kau faham tak?
Curry.
So curry. Tim Curry.
Tim Curry.
Bila English okay apa?
Yes.
Bila Melayu kari.
Kari.
Oh, dia punya lidah tak kena komen langit-langit.
Penjahat itu
Gary.
telah ditangkap dan digari.
Gary.
Kalau macam orang putih, the criminal was caught and handcuffed.
Mystery. Misteri.
Kan?
Tapi kalau orang putih dia dengar.
InsyaAllah.
Kau dengar? Pos lah.
Janganlah.
Cuba sikit. Cuba sikit.
Cannot. That's not English.
It's not English
Silakan.
So sebelum kau continue with this YBBC, is that a family problem?
No.
It's a lidah problem lah.
Is the lidah?
It's not family problem, but kita analismakan ataupun dikonklusikan ini dolat kepada bapakku yang suka kacau cousin dia.
Dia suka usik kat sana. Dapat anak macam
bapak
gitu.
aku kacau cousin dia bila aku was in my mommy's tummy.
Ni pantang-pantang dulu lah
I don't know, but aku nak percaya ke tidak ke, aku tak don't want to get there, but it's like Tuhan Maha Adil lah. Kau faham something like that lah.
Interesting. Ada backstory bagus. Interesting
And kalau nak tentang family, anak nombor 3 aku pun sama macam aku.
Kau make fun
R
of siapa?
dia jadi W.
Kau ambil
Diri aku.
Aku feel it can be rectified lah.
Susah Dan.
Tak boleh.
I mean
rectified.
through
It
practicing.
can be rectified.
Dan aku pergi University of R tau. Aku tak boleh pass
Tak boleh.
lah.
I mean kau was what you call it aware. Kau had this, then you were trying to macam
I've been
Tak boleh.
asking throughout my life, macam mana kau sebut R? So it's like the vibrating of the tongue dekat langit-langit. How the hell you do that? Aku tak boleh.
Aku just
boleh
feel
lah.
like through practicing maybe it can be cured lah. Aku just felt that lah.
Maybe lah. Kena phonics banyak phonics lah.
Phonics
Ataupun cunnilingus lah.
Ui, kan. Oi.
Macam mau kasih ke apa?
Oi.
Kasih.
Ni memang kena.
Oi.
Linguis ke apa? Cunnilingus.
So
Kau tahu tak apa cunnilingus?
vibrate.
Kau step tak tahu je.
Tak tahu macam mana aku.
Okay, nanti kau Google.
Tapi dia NSFW lah.
SFW. Oh, what's that, man?
Not safe for work.
New South Wales. Silakan. Dengan kiriman.
Okay, kita ada bunyi. Oh, kita ada kiriman daripada pendengar kami. Nama dia Sis Sofia.
Sis
Sofia.
Assalamualaikum sis.
Waalaikumsalam.
Sofia kita suka cerita ragam piramli lah.
Ui.
Nama dia Sofia?
Safia.
Safia. Oh, dekat-dekat nama sabun.
Sofia Jin.
Nama apa?
Sabun.
Oh, sabun Safia. Ya.
Oh, Safi tu Safi.
Safi. Yes.
Minyak. Oh tu sapi.
Tu
Sorry.
sapi.
Silakan.
Minyak
Actually not bad. Dia punya reaction tu not bad. Silakan.
Okay, daripada Sis Sofia. Title dia 3 weeks wait. Cerita dia bunyi begini. Assalamualaikum brothers biar betul. Wahai BBC. By the time you read this, it's probably been about a week since my checkup with the specialist. 2 more weeks to go. I was referred to the hospital by my GP because I started coughing up blood. During the checkup, the doctor did a scope and found a growth inside my body. He looked quite shocked and kept asking if I was a smoker, but I am not, and neither are the people in my household. When he showed me the lump after the scope, biar betul lah guys, it was quite big. Aku bawakan ni sikit aku nak. Mana dia?
Tukar sedih ni muzik. Dah nampak lam.
Tahu, sebelum sedih aku suspect mana aku stop lah.
It was quite big.
Quite
betul
big.
lah guys.
I got it. But hilang lagi. When he showed me the lump after the scope, biar betul lah guys, it was quite big. There was a pus and blood around it. That explains why I had been feeling a strange liquid at my throat. Rupanya it was blood. Now I've been given medication and also had to do a blood test for cancer markers. The results will only come out in 3 weeks. Cancer guys, no joke. Honestly bros, I'm scared and really worried. Life feels so short. I think about kiddos, my husband, and my parents. I also think about how one day I will be alone in my grave. All I want now is to change, to become a better Muslimah, a woman of faith. I don't want to waste time gossiping or talking about others. It's not worth it. If the results turn out negative, inshallah, first thing I'll do is sujud syukur. It would mean Allah has granted me another chance to become someone who is truly bertakwa. I want to be fit so I can travel and see Allah's beauty. I want to climb mountains and hills. I want to learn more, cari more ilmu. I don't want to hold on to dunya. What will be, will be. I've stopped eating red meat, processed food, preserved food, and I know I need to cut down sugar and carbs too, though that's the hardest part. So I sincerely ask for your du'as, my brothers Haidbanger, Haider, Taj, and Dan. Please remember me in your prayers that the results will come back clear of anything serious. Amin, amin, amin ya rabbal alamin. PS, Haidbanger, spotted you at Kampung Glam. Bro looks so serious eh. Ha 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 ha. Thank you very much, Sis Sophia, for your
sharing.
Yes.
Yeah, sure, it was not as very easy to share such emotional, personal things. Lagi-lagi about your health.
Honestly,
and,
it's not easy for me to read also. So, brothers, silakan lah. Apa yang korang nak cakap tentang?
I mean, definitely kita akan doakan yang terbaik. We will remember you in our prayers. And semoga, dia kata nak tunggu 3 weeks, right? So yeah, hopefully as per what dia kata, the result insyaAllah will be negative. But if it's the opposite, kita pun akan doakan yang dia ada kekuatan lah dan ketabahan untuk melaluinya. It's not necessarily the end of the road or end of the world. We hear stories of people fighting cancer and beat it. So yeah, we will pray for the best for you to hadapi this situation lah.
Yeah. Aku echo whatever Tasha said, because Aku pernah share yang aku tak suka tahu kalau aku ada sakit. But I mean, listening to this story has opened up a different perspective. That sometimes this, I mean not sometimes, sakit ni datang
Tiba-tiba.
Tiba-tiba. I mean it can come anytime. But sakit ni datang untuk kita ingatkan Tuhan. For us to focus on the more important things in life. For us to focus on what we want to achieve in life. And dia cakap dia nak climb mountains. Do it. Right? If not now, then when? So apa yang korang nak chase, even in this world? Yes, benda ni dunia pun. Kalau kau rasa kau nak go to a specific country, kau nak tunaikan umrah, kau tak pernah pergi umrah, go ahead, do it now when you have the means. So I mean, all these things is a reminder for me also that life is short.
Yeah.
So live life to the fullest. Whatever you want to do it now. Keep Allah close to you.
Yeah.
You know, ibadah, help the poor, help people, be nice, be kind. These are things that we have to focus on. This is what life is about. Right? Doing the more important things.
Yeah.
So again, like what Tak cakap, kita doakan kau. InsyaAllah tak ada apa-apa. But again, like what I said, this care is maybe for you to focus on the more important things in life lah. Take it as a positive thing in that way lah. I know it's never positive, but we still doakan kau. Hopefully it's negative. But if it's like what the other way, like what Tak cakap, we have interviewed cancer survivor before and they have beat cancer, so it's not the be all and all lah. Yeah.
Aku don't have a lot of things to say, but I can only imagine what she's feeling right now, and also what her kids and her husband is feeling right now. I mean,
What they're going through.
what they're going through, we still don't know, because I myself is going through what her husband is somehow going through, where I just found out that my mom had cancer, and I don't know how bad it is, but the doctor really say it's quite bad, just that he didn't give an official diagnosis lah, something like that lah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gotten quite bad until my mom don't understand me anymore. I mean, don't remember me anymore. Don't recognize all of us anymore. My dad also lah. So it keeps you in perspective. Like life is really short lah. Life is really short, and mungkin kita won't have that sickness, but if we see our loved ones have that sickness, so it makes us think that time is very
Precious
lah.
Yeah.
Anytime anything can be taken out of you or taken away from you. So yeah lah, I mean, we can only do our best, trying to be the best person we can be, the best role model, the
A better Muslim.
a better Muslim. Yes, then yeah, I don't really have much to say, but I just feel for si Sofia ni lah.
Doakan for your mom also then.
I mean,
Yeah. So aku pun pernah terfikir jugalah, kalau macam what kita pun ada that kind of fear. When we receive pain or sickness, that's when our body is actually telling us, mengadu lah. Our body is mengadu dengan kita lah. That is in terms of medical ataupun science lah. But in Islam, dalam agama kita, pain is equal to points lah. So Allah is giving us points lah. When Allah give us pain ataupun sickness, we regard it as something that Allah is loving us lah. So it's very hard to digest that, because we are living in this mortal world and it's temporary. everyone will die. So I don't know how to feel you, but what good things that I can say that the time that you still have like we ever mentioned about orang yang dah kena gantung diri ni semua, you still have that time. We don't know whether short or long. My time, I'm talking as now I'm talking pun kita, I don't know my time. Maybe later, maybe we don't know. Maybe months, years. These things happen, can be sudden. But bila seseorang tu dapat satu penyakit ataupun degaan, aku hold tight to this sentence daripada Quran lah. Auzubillahi minasyaitanir rajim, bismillahirrahmanirrahim, inna ma'al usri yusra. So that means dalam hardship tu ada kebaikan di sebaliknya. So I always believe in that. So when you get to that meaning ataupun apa yang aku baru katakan tadi tu semua, you feel that you are special. So bila kau rasa diri kau special, you feel appreciated. So I read just now that if you get the result, if it's negative, you akan sujud syukur. I just want to advise another thing. Kalau na'udzubillah min zalik, kita tak tahu the result. Kalau the result is the other way, the other answer, which is positive, pun sujud syukur jugalah. So because I believe the points, the rewards are much bigger. So in terms of that, it's very difficult to actually tell these people yang mengalami dugaan seperti ni, that lah, it's very hard to absorb because you have your kids with you, you have your family with you. But still we don't know kita punya perjalanan kan. So I just want to give you maybe like kata-kata semangat lah. You are the special one. You receive this type of things. InsyaAllah, although whatever the answer is, although we have to appreciate him, bersyukur dengan apa yang dia dah bagi, and he knows best. Nevertheless, we will continue to doa for you, for Dan's mom, and for Muslimin Muslimat yang ada that sufferings, you know, that kind of thing. To the point that we will extend our doa to the non-Muslims, yang the children, the poor, because Allah ajar kita untuk be merciful lah. So and we seek His mercy, and never ever forget everything that we start with is Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, means Maha Pengasih, Maha Penyayang. So that means, can you imagine how many times we have to say that? That means how many times we have to stick that inside our head that Allah is most loving and most Maha Pengasih, Maha Penyayang lah. So insyaAllah lah, we will doa for
Sofia.
Ya, insyaAllah.
And kalau kau walk along Kampung Gelam, kau nampak Mama handsome ni, rambut panjang, tegur je lah.
Yelah, dia nak tegur kau, dia nampak muka
confused lah.
Tak ada, because kalau aku dekat Kampung Gelam, aku tengah buat kerja.
Ya
Jadi
ke?
bila aku buat kerja dekat phone, kadang-kadang kat laptop, kadang-kadang kat phone. So dengan muka tu dengan macam work mode lah. Jadi tengah macam serius. Aku kalau kerja, aku serius bertugas lumus lah.
Di Kampung Gelam tak banyak lip.
Tak payah lift lah.
Yalah.
Dia bukan job site then.
Bukan tu saya.
Dia remote.
Itu dia punya work from home lah.
Betul lah.
Mungkin kau tengah stress pasal kau tengah gini, aku tengah sengit gini.
Itu pun stress tau.
Itu stress tau.
Itu stress tau. Nak keluarkan angin memang stress
Dia
tau.
tengah cari tembok perfect untuk buat transition.
Betul. Tak ada serius tu.
Susah tau nak buat transition tu.
Cari ilham lah kan. Yalah memang like what you say, work from home lah, work from there, is a remote work lah. Yang penting work lah.
Betul lah. Kita kena bersyukur.
Betul lah. Ya, betul.
Sedih tu. I mean maybe we can take this a bit to the next level.
Cop. Okay, kepada si Sofia ataupun siapa-siapa yang jumpa aku kat luar, panggil aja.
Panggil.
Jangan takut.
Panggil
Pernah ada satu kakak ni, dia panggil aku, tapi tu dia tegur, muka garang macam gitu.
So to the face
Tu
punya.
aku cakap, apa sah kakak ni? Dekat video lain, dekat sini muka garang Oh tak kak, saya tengah kerja kak. Minta maaf. Tu aku tahu Assalamualaikum gitu-gitulah. Jadi minta maaf, muka aku kat luar, aku tak boleh selalu muka aku dekat public macam kat video lah. Video tu video. Kat public aku kena, aku pun bekerja juga. Aku pun ada masalah juga. Takkan kalau ada masalah pun aku jalan terus aku kena call up nanti. Kena hantar masuk.
Kalau ternampak any one of us lah, tegur je lah.
Ya, tegur. Kita boleh runding.
Haidar selalu ada kat Kampung Glam. Haidar selalu ada kat Bungking. Tak selalu datang Bris.
Kau pun lah. Kau
Aku
dekat
Novina.
Baru sikit aku tersebat dengan dia kat Novina. Dan selamatkan aku.
Dia sesat.
Aku sesat kat Novina.
Kau sesat kat Singapura
Tu lah.
Nasib baik kau tegur dia. Kau dapat the way lah.
Itulah, that's why.
Very important lah tegur-tegur kita semua. Kita
dapat
tahu
pahala
dulu.
Dan tunjukkan jalan.
Jalan yang benar.
Jalan benar. Dia tunjuk kiblat pun
Tadi
kan.
jalan aku sesat sikit. Jalan aku sesat sikit. Aku tengah lead bini aku dengan anak aku tu jalan yang sesat.
Masya
Jadi aku
Allah. Jangan.
Sesat jalan ada dekat Novina lah.
Tu
Besar daripada.
kalau let's say kau dah jalan-jalan kau sesat, tapi kau nampak diri kau, itu bootstrap paradox.
Nampak diri aku
Itu bootstrap paradox lah. Silakan ada kena cakap something.
Apa next level?
Yeah, next level. I mean, since Sophia shared this story, aku was just wondering if lah, nauzubillah min zalik, if we find out that we have a sickness. I mean, aku tak nak kasih timeline, because kalau cakap besok, then everybody will say, oh, obviously kita dekat dengan Allah and all this. Let's say we know the specific timeline lah. Let's say 1 year lah, that we have a sickness and we may pass on after 1 year lah. What are the first few things yang korang nak achieve within that 1 year?
Kalau aku kan aku lain sikit lah.
Boleh sikit lah, macam mana?
Kalau aku dapat tahu time lah kalau aku dapat tahu time, aku
1 year je.
ada orang memang into that, masing-masing lah itu nak cari benda yang dia belum buat ni semua kan. Tapi kalau aku dah goyang, aku terus dekat sejadah ni, kau faham tak?
Takkan 1 year kau sejadah je. Life is go on not?
Susah cakap lah.
Susah cakap juga.
Again,
Bro, 1 year is fast.
Yeah, but
Lagi-lagi bila kau tahu.
Yeah, but Islam is a way of life. So kau punya ibadah has to be part of your life,
no matter what lah.
no matter
Yalah.
what. So kau punya life have to go on. You cannot separate the two. So even bila kau nak pergi naik gunung, kau kena solat, kau kena ingat Allah.
Okay, but okay, I mean that's me lah. That's me. That's why I say masing-masing. But aku tak boleh be selfish. It's not what I want to achieve. Aku nak spend that time with my kids and my family and my wife ni semua. When time is limited, I wouldn't want to go to do my so-called solo activity lah. Achieve something. That's why please don't take me too hard. Ini masing-masing. Bagi aku lah, aku yang part duniawi, aku akan proceed with my kids and my family. Let's say whatever that you want to, it's sad lah. It's like, okay, it's like macam mana tau. Okay, I have left with 1 more year. You plan what you want to do with me. Kau faham tak? Macam gitu lah.
So kau leave it to them lah.
I leave it to them.
What they want to do.
Yes. So if they want to go holiday, I will fulfill lah. Go holiday, atau dia nak itu ke nak ini ke, I will fulfill lah. Yeah. But I will be FOMO ke kiasu, whatever you want to call it. Aku nak kena pump dorang apa-apa yang aku boleh ajar. For that, like what I say, to people is 1 year, but to me is that 1 year can be like 6 months or 1 month. Kau faham tak? So aku nak kena, aku kena otak dah rush tau. Okay, aku nak ajar ni, aku nak pump ni, aku nak prepare tau. Prepare sebelum aku pergi tau. And maybe for people out there juga, maybe for si Sofia juga, aku will tell my kids, boleh aku nak kasih brainwash ke apa, jangan sedih. Everyone have to live. It's a must. It's a pasti, satu kepastian. So if I'm leaving, please don't be sad. Just doa, insyaAllah one day we will meet again. It's just that imagine that I'm travelling for a work trip which is super long, and then we meet. But that super long can be shortened with your amalan, something like that. So pray for it to be short. So that we will meet again. And that kind of thing aku akan nak kena brainwash on that part Because on my part is this part, satu part. On the other part is aku nak kena fikirkan apa diorang akan rasakan bila aku dah tak ada lah. Macam gitu lah.
Okay. Tapi kalau diorang bilang kau dia panggil kau apa? Baji.
Yeah.
Baji, I don't want to do anything. I want you to tell me what you want to do, then we do it with you.
Wow. Kalau gitu
Main bola.
Main bola, whatever it may be lah.
Main bola, pergi piknik, pergi holiday.
Buat original.
Aku akan
Original song.
original
Family.
song. Yes. Umrah. Umrah. And kalau dapat pergi Baitul Maqdis, but the process is quite leceh kan. So but insyaAllah, why not? And buat lagu, compose lagu, make as much videos. That's the thing though. To make videos pun good, but it may be a sad thing for them when I leave. It's best kalau dah leave, jangan tengok ni semua video. Kau faham tak? Let's say aku dah leave, and that's why ni pun masing-masing ada dah rindu, dah someone yang dia sayang dah meninggal, dia rindu nak kena tengok gambar, tengok video. But aku terbalik, kalau lagi tengok lagi sedih lah. Kau faham tak?
Yalah, I mean ultimately we cannot control what other people will do lah.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
I saw a meme dekat Facebook. A meme of people tengah makan 30 minutes after they bury you, orang tengah makan, having fun. You know?
So yeah, so that. Yeah.
So it just macam shows that macam
Life goes on lah.
Move on lah.
life goes on. You cannot control what other people, how other people will feel, what other people will do, whether or not you teach them, they will still remember. You know. But I think one thing in common that I guess we can all agree, if we know that one day we know the timeline, I'm sure the most important thing is we want to spend more time with our family, be a better Muslim, lagi banyakkan ibadah. I think that is the most obvious thing to do lah. I mean, what I say pun aku agree. You will, spend time with my wife and my kids and my family, because I remember when a few years ago when my dad passed away, and we see the changes, and he would when he was in hospital, dia keluar masuk hospital, and during the times where we know that dia dah sakit, dia dah tak macam dulu. Kita memang nak spend more time dengan dia. Kita kalau boleh hari-hari nak pergi hospital. And kita sampai macam ada visiting hours lah, ada quota, nak 2 orang je boleh naik. So it shows that the time dah limited, you nak spend as much as possible. So I guess that's the most, I think we can agree lah, that if we know that time is coming already, we want to spend that little time we have with somebody that really meant something to us, that's important to us, and on top of that, beribadah, be a better Muslim together as a family and make sure that that you will have to remember that life will still go on after this. Macam like I can just take example from experiencing the passing away of my father-in-law. Life goes on as difficult, or as you can tell someone easy, macam you can easily tell someone, kau jangan sedih lah. It's easier said than done. You you can tell someone, if my dad tell me, Long, jangan tak nak sedih lah. Macam aku pun sedih no matter what apa. You my father sih. Nak bilang someone don't be sedih, and knowing that you are someone special is this difficult lah. It's easier said than done. You know, you can macam try to suppress the feeling but the feeling will always be there. Yeah. So yeah lah, I mean, hope I answer your question lah. Yeah.
Kau then?
Aku quite simple lah, because I feel macam I've always been trying to be the provider for everyone, my family members lah. From the day one I got married, I want to provide for my wife. And the first day the kids were born, I want to provide for them. So if I found out that I'm going to pass away within a few months or within a year, I just want to make sure whatever that I've worked towards is enough for them after I'm gone.
They're taken care of.
In terms of whether I want to spend more time with them, I don't think it will be much of a difference compared to what I'm doing daily. Because ultimately they are the one that maybe want to spend more time with me compared to me wanting to spend more time with them, because they will feel my absence. I won't feel the absence if I pass away lah, in a way like that lah. So yeah, the financial part and the wisdom lah, whether I've taught my wife or my kids enough to get them to be a better person when they grow up. Then if my parents were still alive at that point in time, then I'll just macam try to be a better son towards them. Try to, I think for me, maybe I want to spend more time with my parents rather than I want to spend more time with my kids when I know I'm going to pass away. That macam I'm thinking lah, because I know my kids will want to spend more time with me, but me, I might want to spend more time with my parents to ask for forgiveness, kind of thing. So other than that, it's just the financial portion lah. Whether I'll make sure my wasiat semua all settle. Make sure my insurance that I bought early, everything will be taken care of once I'm gone.
Dah buat CPF nomination.
Bilang my wife whatever I bought. So make sure the kids trust fund in a way will be taken care of. Their education, they are growing up.
It's a continuation after, when we pass. Their life doesn't stop there. There's a continuation. They have to move on. Because as providers, we, especially if we are the sole, we are the sole breadwinner, for example, you want to make sure that your family, your loved one is not high and dry lah. If you can help about it lah.
Because if you realize we don't really look for happiness ourselves, Now, I mean, as fathers, if you all agree with me, our happiness is when we see our wife and kids happy. We don't really seek for something that make us happy, other than
not anymore.
Not anymore, right? When as we grow older, so if we know that we pass away, then as long as they're happy, I think we'll
not to say that in a bad way. It's not like we are unhappy. Is we are happy with what we have already.
Correct.
We are. I'm happy going home to see my wife and my kid. That's enough for me. Not to say that, just to make it clear lah.
We don't seek for our own happiness. Macam nak kena main bola. It's not a must. As long as the kids are having fun, we provide them fun, then we are happy ourselves. So that's my thinking lah, in terms of if I pass away. Kau?
I mean, obviously spending time with your loved ones will be top of the priority lah. The one thing that probably stick out that aku have been thinking about is going to Umrah. There has been something is in my head for maybe the last 2 years or so. So So I mean, this is something that aku tadi tu, why I asked this question is what you will prioritize, kan? And this is something I will prioritize lah. And I want to prioritize right now, listening to Sophia's story.
So you want to achieve sekarang tengah kau punya
number
goal
one
sekarang.
Number one.
Number one, yeah.
Oh, you're still healthy lah.
While I'm still healthy, before aku anything happen, right? We never know, right?
Yeah.
So that is number one. Number two, aku have been really thinking about it. Also, this last 2 years, aku been thinking about doing more charity work. Not in terms of money. Money, to donate memang
Volunteer.
selalu. Volunteer. Tu something that kita budak-budak dulu kita suka buat time sekolah. The school will organize this. But personally, aku haven't like go out the way to do it. I don't know about orang. On my own. Aku tak pernah. So something that aku maybe we can organize something as biarbetol, we never know, right? We can try to do this. It's something is always in the top of my head.
It's something good to also let our kids practice also, right?
To practice. Right? So these are valuable lessons also for them. At the same time, kita beribadah. So these are things that you can work in conjunction though. Not just separate. Just agama je. You also do something
for the community,
for your
lah.
kids. You inculcate things that you teach lah. So aku try to combine a lot of these things lah, where we can do together, pergi umrah together, do the charity work together. And I mean, if you talk about duniawi, I have watched an Arsenal game before. I've watched a WWE match before. But if I could just throw in
World Cup
to watch a World Cup match, to watch a WrestleMania punya event with my family,
SummerSlam
tak sangat lah.
Royal Rumble lah.
To Survivor Series lah.
Tapi
Kalau tak sampai
Royal Rumble best,
winter je tak boleh tengok SummerSlam.
ya, tapi itulah. Tapi kalau kau
I miss
nak,
that.
aku boleh tolong kau bila kau nak pergi umrah dengan tengok WrestleMania. Because next WrestleMania is kat Saudi.
Tu lah.
Jadi boleh sekali lah.
Sekali.
Lepas tu kau boleh tengok
Macam World Cup juga.
World Cup tapi lama lagi lah. World Cup
Minta divorce tak tahu lagu.
Tu boleh pergi second time lah kalau ada.
InsyaAllah.
Second death lah.
Kau tak cakap next year je dia.
Tapi dia dah
mempercepatkan.
But I see your point also, because if we learn of any particular, macam dia tadi the scenario was, you know that in 1 year's time, so you have something that is ada sickness lah. So you do all that also in a way to take your mind off things lah.
Of course.
Kau tak nak just macam be depressed. You know, it might worsen things. It might worsen things on your own. It may worsen your relationships with God, with family. Pasal kau just macam terlalu fokus on the negative part tau. So to like what you say I agree also to do things that make you feel still valuable in a way. Pergi umrah, of course, number one. Pergi ke Tanah Suci, do like what you say, pergi watch a World Cup game. That would be. But I think our best chance was kat Qatar lah. Wasted lah.
Tak apa boleh.
InsyaAllah. Kita doakan sama-sama lah.
Kan tu there are some people diorang ada this mentality. It's very rare lah. It's very susah pun nak dapat macam ni. This mentality, bila dia dapat this kind of news, it's a good news for them. Means they already
bersedia.
Take it like, Allah dah kasih aku time for prepare. Yang ada accident tu Pak mati tak ada time kau faham tak ada time. But this kan my God, Masya Allah, Allah betul-betul sayangkan aku. Dia kasih aku this range of time for me to prepare untuk perjalanan aku. And this type of people also, diorang ada juga yang next level, dia tak sabar. Dia tak sabar nak, because some people tak sabar nak tinggalkan dunia ni, because dunia ni dah terlalu stressful and senang cakap corrupted. Corrupted. You see the bad part of this dunia, memang the ugly part. So and then dia pun tak sabar, because they have this another mentality ataupun pegangan ni yang which is the right thinking juga. Bila kau mati, itulah kau wake up from your dream. And whatever that we are facing now kita kat dunia ni, we are dreaming. Kita tengah mimpi with this mimpi of a long sleep, so called long sleep. You will wake up when you die. So that kind of mentality pun ada kat ni. But Allah suruh kita ambil dunia dan akhirat. ambil dunia seperti kau takkan mati, ambil akhirat seperti kau akan mati besok, something like that. And in this dunia Allah kurniakan kita dengan loved ones, anak-anak, mak bapak, isteri, spouse and so on,
Kenikmatan
kawan-kawan, kenikmatan. And kita nak kena fikirkan diorang punya relationship juga terhadap kau. So it's important to be balanced lah. Yeah.
I mean, everyone has their own way of doing things. Right? I mean, to me, I will continue to do things that I love, like this podcast, for example. Right? But I will be probably making it a different way. Aku will be documenting.
Kita buat public.
Remote.
Remote. Kamu enggak apa?
Kita dulu pernah buat remote banyak kali.
Oh, ya. So remote sampai aku travel
Kau
ke apa.
imagine kita dah buat remote podcast. Kau nak? Kamu gelap.
Sini je.
Oh siulo.
Yeah. So I will be like probably documenting it and uploading it on Spotify for people to hear or what, right? So it's something that aku enjoy lah. So for example, for kau, but I mean there are people who thinks that aku dah do it so many already. So why do I want to keep doing it? There could be another way of looking at it. For example, if I were in your shoe, I would do more videos because it makes me happy. But at the same time, kau be, apa aku nak focus video, nak edit, waste time. Baik aku spend time with my kid. Then do videos with your kids. So that's one way of to look at things lah. To still continue what you love, but at the same time focusing on the more important things lah. Combining them lah.
Yeah, so we hope si Sofia ni apa kita dah share sedikit sebanyak, kasih dia sedikit I don't know, semangat ke atau perangsang untuk cope with a situation. Again, kita doakan si Sofia ni yang terbaik. Kita doakan semualah yang terbaik, dan hopefully
dan juga kepada si Sofia, bukan si Sofia, sis Sofia. Dah macam korang ajar lah si Sofia tu. Bukan. Kepada sis Sofia, kita pun nak kau doakan kita. Sebab doa orang-orang macam gini amat-amat apa nama dia,
dialogkan.
Amat dialog ya, betul juga
Tapi dia macam sambung ke boleh? Amat-amat dialukan.
Tak, doa seorang
dihargai,
yang mengalami dugaan ataupun sakit is
mujarab
the top the top level lah. Jadi kita sama-sama doakan each other. Kita doakan kau pun doakan kita jugalah, insyaAllah.
And happy selalu listen to our funny contents. Because humor will help you take your mind off the things.
Laughter is the best medicine.
Yes. Happy lah. Macam
Reader Digest.
page apa?
Aku tak tahu banyak page, random.
Content Reader Digest kat mana?
Content Reader Digest
First page.
Oi.
Betul lah. And dia ada laughter the best medicine. And ada lagi tu segmen tu.
Banyak. Dead jokes.
Dia joke ada.
Tak salah aku lah. Kadang-kadang kat page pun, kat corner-corner dia pun ada macam surprise jokes juga.
This is where Sofia kau stop kita podcast.
Terima kasih Sofia. Terima kasih semua.
Kita nak minta maaf kalau kita ada apa-apa salah silap. And hopefully episod ni bermanfaat lah.
Ya, betul.
And kita pun minta juga korang doakan kepada ibu, kepada Dan lah. Maknya si Dan. May Allah ease all of our affairs. InsyaAllah hingga kita bertemu lagi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.